Look at my paradise. This is where I prayed for all of you. Look at this. I have something to tell you that this place is a sacred place. Why? Because we have this black Nazarene there. Tanawan ninyo. It's like the face of Jesus or the lying Jesus. Kung si Kristo yung crucified, pag ilagay dyan or ipahiga, it's like the black Nazarene. Look at that. So this is my place. This is my prayer mountain. Pero na ako ipakita ninyo. Grabing limo, no? Wow. Amazing. Nakaupo na mga prutas. This is fat burners actually. Pag meron ko makita ang damo, ganito, muras ilang gibuhat ni Pergina og tiko, gingutan nila. Ganon. This is our cabin. Pero na ako ipakita ninyo. Halika. That's the ongoing prayer house there. Look at that. May altar na nakatayo at saka may hiding na yung bintana. Say hi do. Oh, to ay taos ubos nag-scatter si Gerard. So that's our dream in courtesy of Tico Pergalamiton, si Ging Rosario, ni counterpart originally ng Tambalo, Asibo. Then Son, sabi ni Julie Benjos, and looking forward that some of you, my benefactors, will be part of that prayer house where we can pray the Rosary, Novena, or celebrating the Holy Mass. So I'm here. Kita others, likod. That's the ongoing, that's the update sa atong gihimo nga prayer house there is sa Altam Farm, my prayer mountain. Altia or Altam Village of Consolation, or this is a religious village. That's the meaning of Altam. God bless.